Everyone, it's Misty here from TheJollyFatElf. Hey, hi, hello. Thank you so much for joining me. For full transparency, this is like the 6th time I've tried to film this video. I've either gotten teary-eyed or I've lost what I was saying. So hopefully like the 7th time is the charm. Let's knock on wood and we shall see. Hi, it's been a while since you've seen my face. I understand. The last time you saw my face, I think I filmed that intro a while before I ended up editing and posting the video, and that video had been filmed months ago, I think. So it's been a while. So this video is going to be part update video. It's going to be part announcement video, and then we're going to have a giveaway at the end. So make sure that you stick around for that. If you're new here, new to my channel, hi, my name is Misty. I've been paper crafting for 16 years, more specifically card making. I am a card maker, and I've had this YouTube channel now for 13 years. And I've posted close to 1,700 videos over 13 years, which works out to what? More than 100 videos a year, which is bananas. I especially love holiday cards, and up until last year, I'd done 10 holiday card series in a row. Speaking of last year, I'm filming this on May 18th. On May 23rd, 2025, I had a C2 to T2 fusion, meaning C2, so cervical disc number 2, all the way down to T2, which is basically middle of my shoulder blades. And me, being a naive person that I was, thought, oh, I'll be well by September, October, and I can do my holiday card series. No, healing is not linear. In fact, the last couple of days, I've been using my zip on my back and my neck because I've been having issues. We're a year out and I'm like, what are we doing? I thought I would be healed by now, but healing isn't linear and healing will take forever. So I've kind of recognized that and I've accepted that as fact, and I am just adapting as I go, and I think that's true for everyone. With that being said, the last few months have been rough on me mentally. Unfortunately, I am on a pill, or medication I should say, that causes issues with your dopamine and serotonin receptors, and therefore it affects my mood. And there's this big word for it. If I remember, I'll put it here. But basically, it just causes a person to be blank. And that's exactly what it's felt like. Like, I have not cared about anything. I call it rotting in my chair because I just mentally could not make myself get up and do anything. The only thing that has sparked any kind of joy is my birthday was on April 29th, and my brother bought me the original strawberry shortcake house. I'm looking at it right now. And then of course I've got other strawberry shortcake stuff around me. I've kind of turned this craft room into a strawberry shortcake oasis. This past Wednesday, like I said, I'm filming this on the 18th. So last week I fell out of my computer chair, scared the holy crap out of me. I haven't fallen in over a decade. And of course I have this neck issue and it scared me. And I just realized, like the other day, we called the paramedics for them to come help me and get me into bed so I could get up because I'd hurt my knee. Anyway, it's a whole process. But I realized that when they came in here, they saw nothing but strawberry shortcake. And I was 48 years, like here's this 48-year-old female on the floor, can't get up. There's absolutely strawberry shortcake everywhere. So anyway, I just thought I was like, oh, it just literally dawned on me that that's what the paramedics saw when they came to get me. So anyway, the last few months have just been kind of rough on my body and on my psyche. And I started a mood booster almost a month now, I think. And I'm happy to report that I am feeling so much better. Getting this house kind of kicked my ass in gear too, because I really needed to clean out space to put it. Now this craft room is still a disaster, but my goal is to put it back together and then film a new craft room tour. So that's one video you can expect to come in the next, and I promise it won't be years like it was the last one. I do have a 2-parter here on this channel from a couple years ago that took me like 5 or 6 years to film. This one, I'll have it to you by fall, I promise. So anyway, that's kind of where my mind has been and where my brain has been, and that's why I just haven't been able to create until recently. So I'm so excited to announce that I have been asked to be a presenter for the Scrapbooking Fun Summit. Say that 3 times fast, Lord. This is all you guys. I've said that before. I've been doing this for 13 years. Like, I have been on YouTube, kind of been in my own lane. I don't promote a specific company like Simon Says Stamp or etc. I just kind of do my own thing over here. I love what I love. I use what I love, etc. Like, I'm not over here chasing deals, brand deals, or trying to be, design team members. And I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that, but I've kind of just stayed in my lane. And when you do that, you don't always get a whole lot of eyes on you. But when my community, my Elfies, those of you who have been with me and stick with me, when you share my work, you word of mouth, etc., then those eyes come back on me. And I think that's what has happened here. Hi friends, before we get too much further into this video, I just wanted to clarify the dates of the actual summit are the ones that I gave you, but I forgot there's a kickoff party available for attendees on June 3rd, which is that Wednesday evening. So if the graphics don't reflect what I say, that's why. Let's talk about the summit and how you can attend. So in the description box down below, you're going to find my link to the summit. You can get a free ticket. It's free for all 4 days. You have access to the videos for 24 hours. So you kind of have to pick the ones that you want to watch and watch them in the same day. They've done a really good job of sharing the projects. You can see the pictures of the project and what it is and what they're going to teach you. That way you can decide which ones are most appealing to you. Because maybe you're a scrapbooker and you don't want to watch somebody make cards, or maybe you're a card maker and you're not necessarily interested in someone doing a 12 by 12 layout. Although I feel like you can learn from everybody. You can take pieces and parts, etc., like for collaging, etc. But I can understand that there's only so many hours in a day. So your free ticket gives you very limited access, but you do have access to everything, and that includes other people's freebies. Mine is quite substantial, and I'm using the Berry Sweet collection from Doodlebug, which isn't readily available. So I gave you something that I think will be kind of similar, and that's what you get when you watch my presentation and sign up for my freebie. So that's free. You don't have to worry about paying for anything, etc. They do have an opportunity to pick up the VIP bundle. This one works a little bit differently, and again, I will have as much information as I can available for you, and I'll go through it as well. But those of us who contributed to the VIP bundle, our contribution had to be valued at least $50. So I think the Fast Action Pass is around $49. So if you just pick one person's and you run with that, then you've already gotten your money's worth. And I don't want to say how many because I don't know off the top of my head, but it's definitely worth it. And I would never promote, if you didn't know me, I don't promote things I don't believe in, or people I don't believe in, products I don't believe in, etc. Even if I wasn't a presenter for this, I would take advantage of it 100%. So not only do you get product or classes or something, you get something for the VIP bundle, but you also have access to the speakers, and there's lives and there's crops together. There's all sorts of things available for this bundle. It's a really great value. And again, I'll have as much information linked for you as I can. As per usual, I make a small commission if you purchase the VIP bundle, so thank you in advance to those of you who do or have the ability or the capacity to do that. I really do appreciate you. But you don't have to, take advantage of the free event. I think there's close to 32 presenters, and yeah, I love my presentation. If you're someone who struggles with pattern paper or putting patterns together or picking colors for cards, etc., I got you. That's what mine is all about. Perfectly pairing patterns. And my presentation is on Sunday. And again, I will have all the exact time, etc., listed in the description box, or I will pop it up as I'm going over their website with you. So that is the summit. I'm excited. It's a new one for me, and Tracy and Heather have been lovely. They have a lot of great sponsors, like Whimsy Stamps is a sponsor. So it's really fun, and they get a lot of attendance. They have a Facebook group. You can ask specific questions, etc. So I hope you will at least attend using the freebie ticket. And again, thank you to those of you who do the VIP ticket. I appreciate you. Okay, I don't know if I can do a watch party or something if you purchase the VIP ticket. I haven't participated with them before, so I'm not really sure how it's going to work day by day. But keep your ears posted, and hopefully we'll be able to do something for those of you who are able to do the VIP. Even if it's a Zoom call or something, we'll try something out. So anyway, that's the summit. Let's talk about the giveaway. Again, none of this would be possible without you guys, and I appreciate you so very much. And this is the least I could do, is offer a giveaway. So this isn't affiliated with anybody but me, and we're not going to do it lottery style or anything like that. So this is what you're going to have to do. In the description box down below, there is a Google form. On that form, it's going to ask for your information. It's going to ask for your username, and I'm asking for your username because the only requirement for you to do is to leave a comment. I would love to know what you want to see next. That would be what I would love to have answered. Or if you have questions about my fusion, you can ask that. It's whatever the comment is. Just let me know the username that you used for YouTube to leave your comment. But I will pick a winner from that form a week from today. So I'm not sure if this is going to go up on I think this is going up on the 19th. So a week from today would be what? How about we do it on 28, 27, 26? 26th? Yeah, we'll do it on the 26th. So you have until the 26th to fill out the Google form, leave your comment, do the Google form, and then I will pick a winner from that Google form. I'm actually going to pick two. I'm going to pick an international winner and a US winner. If you're in US, you're going to get a physical product. If you're international, we'll work out something so I can get you something that's worth the same amount of value, but it'll be more digital, like digital stamps, papers, etc. And that's just because it's so expensive to ship international. And even shipping like as a gift, I've sometimes had people have to pay, and I just don't like the thought of you guys having to pay duties or taxes, etc. So I feel like it'll be easier for us to do a digital giveaway. It's going to be the same form though. I'll be able to tell from your address if you're international. So I will reach out to you through the email that you put on the form. And yeah, don't fall for scams, because I will not tell you in a comment. I may say, hey, check your email, but I'm not going to say, hey, you're the winner, you know, contact me and you can get a free phone or something like that. This giveaway is not that fancy. I have a box of goodies that I'm going to share with you guys, and I hope that you enjoy it. So yeah, that's a lot. So I'm coming back. We're going to do a Pride collab. I have a couple of secret things that I'm doing that aren't summits, but are like secret group project things. And so those are coming. I am doing this summit, the Scrapbooking Fun Summit. Again, it's June 4th. And there is a freebie ticket available, but you can also do the VIP bundle. All of that information is listed down below. And then I'm having a giveaway. It's open to US people for the physical product, but open internationally for those of you who want to participate as well. And there's a Google form in the description box down below for you to sign up. I feel like I've been talking for an hour and I've had to start and restart this video 15 times, but you know what? I think I'm done. I think I did it. So if you want to know anything else about the health journey, be sure to check out my At Home with Misty channel. I've posted 1 or 2 makeup videos on my Misty channel. I just haven't, like I said, I'm struggling to get back into it, but it's my goal to get back to things. So I hope you see more of me over the next couple weeks and you'll come check everything out. Even if you don't want to enter into the giveaway, say hi in the comments. And I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces. Let me know if you have any questions about the summit, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.